Alright, this is for all you do-it-yourselfers out there. This 90's style fan, which is very, very, very dirty, needs some love. So I'm going to try to make it go a little bit better with my room here, which is just kind of just a beige with a white trim. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to spray paint this. Two cans I will be using. I'm going to use the clean metal primer, of course, first. Just do a light tack coat. Tack coat meaning barely spray it. Let it sit there dry for 15 minutes. Then finish it off with a primer. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. And then come back with just the white, the flat white is what I went with. I didn't want it all shiny. And the other thing with going with anything that's shiny is that it will show more imperfections. So definitely be aware of that. Flat is definitely a lot easier to paint. Of course, take off the light. You unscrew these little guys right here. And then what I do, take my little drill here. And I get in between these, and I've got a nice long Phillips head. Here. Makes this easy. So anyways, step 2, you're going to go ahead and pull these bolts so you can get it clean, and so we can separate and paint the other portion. And a lot of you are asking me, Steve, why are you doing this when you could probably replace this for $40? Why? Because I'm poor, okay? So that's why. I got more time than money right now. So this guy, I'm just going to go ahead and clean these two separately and get them ready for paint. Alright guys, just going to wash these up. You would not believe the amount of dirt and stuff that will collect on your lights and your fans. Definitely it's going to be a lot brighter in here. Just cleaning the bulbs, and of course we're going to be cleaning the lenses as well. These have just been cleaned last week. But basically we're just going to go through and clean everything, and that'll brighten things up in your house. As far as cleaning these fan blades, same thing. I'm just using lots of soap here. I'll go ahead and give it a once over with a rinse real quick. And then I'm hitting it with the acrylic side of it. And of course, make sure the electricity's off. First things first, we gotta go ahead and clean this puppy. With some primer, a little tack coat. Alright, here we go. The second coat. So there's the finished coat of the flat enamel. I just did one coat. That's all I'm concerned with. I've already primed it. It's good enough. So those are my new pieces. Instead of gold, they're now white. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the second coat of primer. Now we're going to go ahead and finish her up with the flat. Like your mom's chest, flat. Alright, so now we'll come back and put her together. She's all done. Alright guys, here we are. Since the hardware was gold, I've decided to go ahead and do silver instead. So it looks like it's 1024 by 3/8. I'm sorry, 1024 by 1/2 is actually the one that you want for these 3 bolts here. Couldn't find these funky looking guys that go back here. Alright guys, we're just here on the last, getting close to the last part of this anyway. Just got the glass on. Last step is just get these bulbs in. So, there we go. Hey, it's not perfect, but it's a much less 90s fan. Feel a little bit better with my room rather than the old gold. So, there you go.